I am told he snuck onto the train at night while everyone else was sleeping. And he drove that thing like the best goddamn engineer that cab had ever seen. Then brought it right back where he found it. His superiors, wearing furrowed brows, folded arms, and sympathy somehow. I am told that I am him, that trains are in my blood, which must mean that my veins are the tracks that lead to my unknown inheritance. My great worked, lived, died on a train. Shit. Maybe he was born on one too. See him riding the rails with the eyes of a child, the hands of a clock, and the mind of a mystic. Dreaming of someday driving rather than riding. He knew the engine better than the engineer. Yeah, everyone knew it, but looked away from the crowd. Instead, they paid their respects in their talking tones, in their handshake, in their laughter, as the train rattled on and on and on, and he served them their food. See, their roses were not for his table. Nah, they were for his funeral. His funeral. Because everyone knew. Everyone knew. Everyone knew that niggas couldn't drive trains.